Hi, my name is Buti Manamela. I'm Deputy Minister of Higher Education, Science and Innovation. Our department, the Department of Higher Education and Training, offers scholarship opportunities to study in over 50 countries abroad. The study areas focus on undergraduate and postgraduate levels. The Mauritius Africa Scholarship focuses on such areas as computer sciences, engineering, medicine, psychology, jewelry, environment, and climate change, amongst others. The closing date for applications is 15 April 2023. Scholarships are fully funded, which means that they cover, amongst others, tuition, accommodation, flights, medical insurance, monthly stipend, and ongoing support in the form of a student support officer. Students with a strong academic background are encouraged to apply. Students also are expected to come back and work in South Africa for at least the number of years that they've held their scholarship. To apply, go to our website, internationalscholarships.dhet.gov.za. Here you will find detailed information on the various scholarships and the requirements thereof. You can also send an email to internationalscholarships@dhet.gov.za. We are also available on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Don't procrastinate. Apply now and make your dreams come true.